of the fact that you are saying that the entire content of Exhibit Triple U and the fact that that signature which was appended on Exhibit Triple U, you're disputing it. In other words, you're saying it's not your signature. What would you like to see happening with that with this that you are disputing?
Angijabulisa mina ngoba phela kuthiwa ney'ngane zabantu eboshwe yini laba abasolwa baboshiswe yini.
What I would like to see,
Uma ngiyavuma ukuthi iqiniso livele kube nendlela ukuthi khona lapho engikwazi ukusizakala khona ngempela ukuthi kuvele iqiniso. Njengamanje oba ngisho iqiniso ukuthi khona umuntu ofika enzelwe kanje phinde kuyovela kubizwa igama lakhe bese kuvela ufakazi omunye. Phela ngiyathanda ukuthi umthetho usebenze la.
So that was Abdul Mzungu there, he is calling for justice for Senzo Meyiwa. I mean, he was asked, what he would want, to happen, because this document was written like on his behalf, a fake signature was put at the bottom, and that same statement was then used, to arrest accused number 1 and 2. So the question, to Absalom Zungu was, what would you like to see happening to this statement? So instead of making the matter to be about him, to say, I want this and that, he simply called for justice for Senzo Meyiwa. This shows, the amount of intelligence, that Absalom Zungu has, because if it was somebody else, they would probably have gone mad, like really crazy, to say, that is madness, I want to be compensated. That's what another person would have said, I want money, I'm going to be suing Kininda, I'm going to be suing the state, I want to be compensated. Then they start stating, crazy figures. But the guy Absalom Zungu does not want any money whatsoever. All that brought him to Pretoria High Court, was to clear up his name. And now he's being asked what he wants to happen, It's just justice for Senzo Meyiwa. And what that means, is that he wants the real killers of Senzo Meyiwa to be the ones to be before the court and be arrested, If it means it's these guys, then it is. If they are not them, then let they be released, more of like just justice for Senzo Meyiwa. Because, I know one thing, if Absalom Zungu sues, for forgery of his signature, he is going to be having a strong case. A case, that can even probably maybe take down Kininda or Baloyi, because he's going to produce his ID, his bank statements, that have his actual signature. And there's going to be like really, really big problems, for whoever forged that signature. But Absalom Zungu does not want all of that drama. But I don't know one thing, why the defense did not bring evidence, to be put in the exhibit to prove, that signature that is on the statement of Baloyi is not the one for Absalom Zungu. They did not put that evidence before the court. And it's really surprising, because it's something that they could have put like documents, and put it as an exhibit and really file it and put it on record, instead of just relying on verbal words from Absalom Zungu. Because the thing is that courts, they rely with evidence. I'll catch you guys on the next one.